Homemade pizza is easier than you think. Whether you use dairy or dairy-free cheese, real or plant-based toppings, this recipe is all about making it your way. Let's start building the pizza. Take your crust and spread a thin, even layer of tomato sauce across the top. The sauce is the base that brings all of the flavors together. Spread the sauce all the way to the edges so every bite is full of flavor. The base is ready. Now comes the fun part, toppings. Now for the cheese. Sprinkle a generous layer right over the sauce. This is what gives our pizza that gooey, melty goodness. Next, add some diced green bell peppers. They bring color, crunch, and a fresh flavor that makes every slice pop. Time for the pepperoni. Lay the slices across the pizza so every bite is packed with that savory flavor. And here it is, our pizza loaded with sauce, cheese, veggies, and pepperoni. All that's left is to bake it until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. Place the pizza in a hot oven and let the magic happen. Golden crust, bubbling cheese, and all those flavors coming together. And here it is, golden, cheesy, and fresh from the oven. This homemade pizza is ready to enjoy. Nothing beats that first slice, cheesy, hot, and homemade. Pizza night doesn't get better than this. See you next time.